All right, here it is, and listen closely to the wording. Alive without breath, as cold as death. Never thirsty, ever drinking, all in male, never clinking.
Wow, okay. That's quite a mental image.
I know, right? It's amazing how such a short riddle can really get the gears turning. Where do we even begin?
Well, I think the key here is the way each line seems to contradict itself. It's like a puzzle within a puzzle. For example, alive without breath. It makes you rethink what it means to be alive, doesn't it?
Yeah, you're not kidding. You start thinking like plants, right? But then how does that fit with the rest of the clues?
Exactly. And that's the beauty of a well-crafted riddle. So we have something that's alive in a non-traditional sense, and then it throws in as cold as death. It's not just about finding the answer, it's about the feeling it evokes along the way.
It really is. You're almost starting to feel a bit chilly yourself, just thinking about it. Okay, so alive without breath, cold as death, and then, this line gets me every time, never thirsty, ever drinking. Talk about a creature of habit.
Right, it paints such a vivid picture. And if we bring in that final clue, all in male, never clinking, the mystery deepens. Now, we have to think beyond a literal interpretation of male. What else could it be? What's protective, encompassing, but silent?
Hold on. It's like something's clicking. Wait a minute. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Because I think it's all coming together.
If you're picturing something that fits all those descriptions, something that lives in water, I think we're on the same page. The answer is a fish.
A fish. Of course. It all makes sense now. Alive but breathes underwater, cold-blooded, constantly surrounded by water, ever drinking. And those scales. Silent male.